Pinterest fundamentally operates on different founding principles than YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. And the most notable difference here is the fundamental way they treat traffic and people using their sites. If you look at Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, their primary desire is to keep you on their site as long as possible so they can cram as much advertisements down your throat as humanly possible. Pinterest operates on a different set of principles. Their CEO, even as recently as last month with the issuance of the IPO, came out and said, we see Pinterest as a utility, not as a social, as a utility. It's typically the starting point for a user's journey to fulfill their project, their desire, their request. The ending of the journey is at a trusted off-site third party. I'll let that sink in. That's a very different founding principle than the other networks. Now, Pinterest does still make money on advertising dollars. You pay Pinterest to show the pins so that people click through to that trusted site. So even advertising works on a different principle in Pinterest.